Hello everyone, and this video is going to be a tutorial on how to program this different style of RF key fob transmitter. This one is going to be referred to as a learn dot. Learn taught learn dot. As before, the only thing you need to actually program this thing is power and ground hooked up. That's it. Other wires that you see hooked up is nothing more than to give you visual feedback for the video purposes. In this case, these two right here will indicate when the power to the voice box is being sent. And then this little LED here on the board, in this case, will indicate when the B button is actually being triggered. And as I stated before, the B button could be used for a multitude of things: hatch pop, garage door opener, as well as a soundboard trigger device. And there's actually more. Just those are the top three that I think will be most useful for people. So let's get to it. So first of all, as you can see, it does work. A turns on the voice box. B has a little secondary output. Again, B is this little puppy right here, this little plug. And then A again to turn off the voice box. But now you want to add a transmitter right here. Oh, doesn't work. But how do you program it? Well, let me show you. So I'm going to go through the complete steps here. You're going to need something that can go across these 2 points here. In this case, I'm using a screwdriver, a little flathead screwdriver. Something that's not rusted. It needs to be somewhat shiny, something clear. Paper clip, needle nose pliers, tweezers, those would also work in this case. If you have a small knife or something like that, maybe just be careful. Don't hurt yourself. And again, all you need is power and ground actually hooked up to actually program. So let's go ahead. When you short this out, you want to get it rested to it until the point that it starts blinking. And you're going to see that here in a minute. And now it's blinking. You want it to continue to blink until it cycles through with 7 blinks. 7. It'll actually stop blinking at that point. Okay, it's all done. Let go. What worked before does not work. Does not work. Now you want to short it out again until it blinks, and you want the 2 blinks and then stop. 1, 2. All right. Now what the 2 blinks is doing is it's telling you want momentary pushes with the buttons. That's all it is. Now let's actually program the transmitters into it. So instead of holding it, you just want to tap it. Tap across until the red light stays on. Oh, almost. Oh, there you go. So now it's on solid. B, A, B. And you saw how this actually blinked every time it received the signal. So now A turns on what is supposed to be the voice box. And then B is the secondary output. Again, the little 3 button plug here. Okay. But this one still does not work. So what do? Again, tap it real quick. There it is. And now B, A, B. There we go. A turns on and off the voice box, as you can see. And then B button. Same thing on this one. And then A button again on this one. So there you go. That's how easy it is to program. A couple troubleshooting skills. Let's say, for instance, you hit the A button, and now the A button is doing this is the A button, and then this is the B button. Well, simple enough. If that is the case, you're just going to go ahead and short those out again, and you have to start over from scratch, which means that you have to short those out, wait for the 7 blinks, then do the 2 blinks, and then press and just tap it real quick until it turns to a solid on, and then you go A, B, A, and that'll change up what does what. So if you wanted this to be on the B button and that on the A button, you would then go A, B, A, and then that'll change that up. Okay. Well, hope this helps. Any questions that you guys may have, leave the comments or send me a message to my email or through Facebook. Thank you for watching.